You guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I am back with another summer Pinterest outfits video where I take my Pinterest board inspired outfits and recreate them using my own wardrobe. This has to be one of my favorite ones that I've done in a hot minute, so let's jump in. You guys know I take photos that I was inspired and try to recreate them using the pieces I already have. I feel like in a world of consumption, sometimes it's nice to get inspiration with looks that we can recreate with things that we already have in our wardrobe. It's fun to add new things, but it's also more fun to use what we have. So let's dive in. Let's start with look number one. I love this look. I think it's so cute. I think it's very like light and airy and very much an outfit that I would wear all the time. So she just has a pair of like white linen shorts, gray top, and a cute little scarf and some cute sneakers. I think we're gonna nail this outfit. I'm regretting not putting this last, but I'm the one who makes that choice, so I don't know why I regret things that I could change. Anywho, let's jump in. So first things is a pair of linen shorts. I'm gonna use my Quince ones that are a little bit longer today. They're filthy, so let's not look at that. I did not realize that when I hung them up, but anywho. So just a good wrinkly linen short. If I was wearing these out, you guys, I would definitely iron them before for the most part, but also like they're casual, so maybe not. Okay, next up I'm gonna put on my little Abercrombie polish tee. If they still make these, definitely check them out because they're just a great loose boxy tee and they've held up pretty well in my opinion, and I like the fit of them. So I'm gonna pop that on and you know the drill. We'll accessorize and pull this out. I like literally always push down my eyebrows when I'm putting on a shirt. So always have to have like a eyebrow brush because it's annoying. And so, okay. Anyway, you can see the vision that we have. These shorts are really quite loose. I could have gone with the shorter ones, but whatever. It's kind of a little more short than I would like not a little more short being seen than I would like, so I could have gone with a shorter one, but honestly these feel just really comfy. But do you see how this tee is like perfectly boxy, not too long, not too short, it's just good. Okay, this creaky floor, I don't know what to tell you. It's gonna be how it's gonna be. It's what you get when you buy an old house. Okay, sneakers. I'm gonna put on my Onitsukas with a pair of like ruffly socks because A, I forgot the rest of my socks, and B, I think it'll look cute. So let's do it. You guys, if somebody does not change the algorithm, you'd think I know how to say that word because it's like very much a part of my life. On my TikTok, I am going to rip this house apart. Like, why do people make home renovations look so easy and so good? And then, okay, so I like have, if you've been watching my vlog channel and you're up to date, I painted our laundry room because it's so atrocious. It was like called caramelized. It's the color I like my coffee, but not my walls. Anyway, I'm so happy he painted the rest of the house before we moved in, but I'm also not because I want to change a lot too. Anyway, okay, moving along. Painted that, and then I also bought peel and stick tile, which first of all, I had no business. Whoa, when is the last time I shaved these legs? Whew. Okay, that's rough. Your girl needs to get on that because those are looking like a forest. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, okay, so I buy peel and stick tile. No reason to, because I have perfectly fine tiled floors and they're neutral and they're fine and they're great. But I saw so many girls do it and it looked so good, and I laid it out on my floor last night and I'm like, you know what that looks like? Peel and stick tile. Not how it looked in those TikToks. So anyway, needless to say, I will be getting money back from Amazon. I will be making money, but I will have to lug those things into the store, which I'm not thrilled about because I had to order 10 boxes of them. But your girl just made 150 bucks, right? Anyway, cute little rufflies, socks. Okay, next, she has a little scarfy scarf, which I love. Okay. Quick, okay. These earrings are a bit much for this outfit, but it is what it is. I also think her scarf is, ooh, hiccup. Oh my God, Scout gets the cutest hiccups and it just kills me. He gets them like all the time and it's adorable. My scarf's a little not as long as hers, but still gets the job done. His hair is doing wonky things. I just curled it in a million different directions because I was distracted by a show that I was watching. Anyway, okay, this is it. I think it's cute. I have that urge to just tuck. I don't need to tuck, but I have the urge to tuck. And then she has a black bag, but I think I would go with navy to tie in the shoes and the scarf. What do we think? I think this is cute. I would definitely wear this regularly. Out and about, going to H-E-B, which is my out and abouts nowadays, okay? H-E-B, I'm there all the time. If you wanna find me in Plano, go to H-E-B. Likely, I'll be there. Just kidding, who would wanna find me? Anyways, so I think we nailed this. I think it's cute. I like this. I like the little scarf. It just adds something fun. It's so easy and it's just so good. And it's definitely more comfortable for me than a necklace, personally, because I just think it is. It's not too tight. It's cute. So, look number 1. Spot on. Okay, let's move on to look number 2. Okay, you guys know I always love to like throw a wild card in, and I think this is kind of a wild card. This could look really cute, or this could look tragic. And these outfits are all kind of giving the vibe of like farmer's market. Is there a farmer's market in Plano that I need to find out? Probably. Anyway, I have the general gist of her outfit, but also not really. So we're gonna see. I always love to, you know, just throw some chaos in my life. So she has a pair of like greenish pants, and she has a belt around them. I don't have belted ones. I actually refound these when I like was moving. These are from Old Navy and they're so cute. They're like a linen-y relaxed pant that I haven't worn in so long. So let's pop these on, see if I can wear them with belt, see if I can make this look like hers, because she looked cool. These pants are like so comfortable though. They're, does anyone remember gauchos? Were you a gaucho girl? You know, the ones that would like fold over? Oh my God. I think those are probably gonna come back. I mean, they did things for the body. They were cute. Anyway, okay, so I'm gonna just tuck in. Oh, good thing those strings are on the inside anyways. Okay, I'm gonna put on a little white ribbed. Okay, so if you've been following my vlog channel, then you know that, like if you watched like the house tour or whatever, you know that our house is like very painted in different ways. You can tell a man definitely figured that out. But anyway, so the front of our house, the front foyer when you walk in, is all cool toned, like grays, okay? Like think dark gray and a light gray, okay? I don't love it, only because there's two things. It's not bad, but it's not my preferred choice, because the outside of our house is warm tones and the rest of the house, like throughout the entire rest of the house, is all warm tones, except for up here and then in the foyer and Scott's office. So basically everything besides the living room, kitchen, dining room, all that, whatever. Anywho, this is where I'm going wild. So I've been like wanting to paint it for a while. I can't decide if I want to paint it the exact same colors of the house or just paint the trim situation. Nonetheless, we have a handyman come over yesterday because Scott like messed with our electricity, our electric outlet by the pool. Something happened, okay? Nonetheless, he had to call somebody. It was a quick fix that he was annoyed that he had to do, but whatever. Met the handyman who our friend uses in Plano, and also our realtor was the one that recommended it to our friends. He's a great guy. So he comes in and he's like, oh my God, I love the color of your front room. And I'm like, how much did Scott pay you to say that? Because I hate it. And I know, this is the problem, I know how much work it's going to take to change it, but I still don't freaking care. I want to do it. Anyway, okay, so this is it. I don't think this looks bad at all, actually. I was afraid that the belt loops wouldn't, because there were no belt loops, but honestly, it works. It works. It works. It's giving when we used to wear belts over the top of our shirts. Didn't even do that. To the side too. Oh God, that was a vibe. Okay, now she has red Adidas Snipers. Pop these guys on. I haven't worn these in a while. Also, your girl is getting baby smooth feet this summer. I'm determined. So check out my favorites video. I think it's gonna be It's sometime soon. Maybe next week? I'm not sure. But I let you guys in on my crusty feet routine. I don't personally show you my feet, but girl, why are my feet so crusty? I don't know, but now they're not. I figured it out, so. Anyhow, they're still a little slimy right now. That's what I'm saying. Well, I don't think they're slimy, they're just hydrated. And that's, what is that feeling for a crusty little foot lady like me? I think because I grew up dancing and was just like always barefoot. Like I grew up in the time where like we stopped wearing ballet slippers and we wore those little like toe things, you know, that just look like little undies that went over your foot. You have to know. We used those for like everything. And stopped using like ballet slippers, besides like point and tap, obviously, but like jazz, hip hop, and ballet, we used those little feety undies. From Capezio, right? Wasn't that the store? I don't know. Anyhow, I remember those things. I loved them, but I was always just barefoot and crusty and dry. Anyhow, sometimes I wonder why I out myself so much on the internet, but you know, such is life. Okay, so we're in. Cute. Okay, she has a really cute hat on, and this reminded me, I haven't worn this hat in so long because I haven't been able to like find it because it's just been away. I don't know if I necessarily pull it off, but I still love it so much that I legitimately don't care. Legitimately. And it kind of puts together with the red sneakers, you know. I don't think her hat is like quite like this, but it's similar. She's got some big old glasses on. This is giving farmer's market, like cool mom farmer's market. Here for it. And she's got a big old tote. She's ready to put some veggies in there. Veggies? I need to find a farmer's market. I mean, I could pull up to Costco looking like this too. I don't really care. Anyway, I think we kind of nailed this. I think it actually turned out way better than I thought it would. And I'm reminded of how much I love these peanuts. They're so comfy, so cozy, and literally feel like sweater panties. Okay, that's it. Why do I say words that don't make sense? I don't know. I wish I could tell you, but I can't. So anyhow, that was look number 2. Let's move in. I feel like this white part is like throwing me for a loop. There we go. Okay, this hat is super old. Anyway, okay. Anyway. Let's move on to look number 3. But also, do you think I nailed this? I think it's kind of fun. It's very hipsterish. Okay. Look 3. Okay, look number 3 is a little sexy, if you will. Okay. She has a little bralette or a bra poking out of her button up, which I have, and I haven't worn this look in a while, but I do really like it. It's one of my go-to ways to like spice up a button up if you want to like go out, whatever, you know what I mean. So let's put this together. This outfit is like all Zara. So let's put on our white denim shorts. I think she has denim, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure they're white denim. We're gonna put on these, and then a little button up. But before I'll show you all the things. Let's just put on a short. Scott told me these shorts were too long when we went to dinner the other week or last weekend, and I was like, they're not. They're like literally perfection, and I don't care. I'm like, these are what I want to live in now. I'm done with the boaty cheeky shorts. And we were going to like a nicer-ish restaurant, like not a nice restaurant, but like a nicer-ish, you know. I'm gonna have my booty cheeks hanging out. Get over it. Okay, so I own this bra in black and in white. It's so good. It's from Amazon. I will link it, but it just shows like the perfect little bit of lace underneath, which is kind of cute and kind of, you know, just way to like, if it pops out, which it does because I always unbutton my button-ups to the gods. So yeah, it's just like a cute way to be like, peeky boo, I see you, you know? Okay. Now, she's a full tuck around. Let's do a full, ooh, I just pushed down the onions. Especially because you're really covered, you know, you got the long sleeves, you've got the long shorts. So like, it's kind of nice to have like a little, you know, moment, whatever, anyway. I like it. Okay, Now she has, oh my God, this floor. Do I have to justify? I was editing my vlog the other day and I had to realize that your girl needs new windshield wipers so badly because it was like making a farting noise and I had to like justify or clarify like, that's not my butt. Okay, so this is a black belt, but I think it's gonna be like, okay. Also, if I was going out, I probably would do a little stitch like right here with my little stitching gun just to like secure it for like a little extra, but I want, you know, some flow. It's just a bra. It's okay, people. Okay, my sandals are gonna be brown, but it's fine. I like a dark brown. Oh my God, why can't I not put this on? These are from my recent Target haul. I got the bigger size. I love them. They're just a really good little elevated leather sandal and they're so squishy and comfy. Okay, this is good. This is really cute. I like this a lot and I like the little peekaboo. It's fun, right? It's a fun way to kind of like maybe amp up your button-ups since I live in button-ups. So good. All right, that was look number 3. Let's move on to the 4th and final outfit, which is the most simple and the most, I don't know, cute in my opinion. I love it. Okay, so it's giving a Florida vacation, it's giving tourist, it's giving 4th of July. I don't care, I love it, okay? It's giving everything I want it to give. So let's do it. Let's put on a pair of ripped denim shorts, which I don't reach for as much anymore, but these pair from Madewell I actually really like because they're not super short, but let's put them on. I haven't worn them in a while. So you can see they're not like super short, they're still like a decent length. Got some rips, got some distressing, they're cute. I like them way better than the Goldie Parkers, which I think these are kind of similar to them. I've tried those, I don't like them nearly as much. I like these. Okay, let's put on a little striped button up, or striped long sleeve from Everlane. Just so good, okay, just so good. Now, she has kind of like a nude sort of sandal on. I am gonna go rogue and do my little rope sandals. I don't know, it's just giving full touristy and just kind of cute. I like it, okay? But you could obviously go with a more neutral look if you didn't want to do what I do, but I think it's cute, okay? Next up, she has a little, oh my God, little bucket hat on. You know what, I really have this feminine urge, I don't know why it's feminine, I have this urge to put ribbons through here and like have it hang. Do you know what I'm talking about? So you could tie it too. I think I could do that. I think I could get some cute ribbon from like a craft store and do that, but that's it. Are you kidding? Cute, perfect, easy, love this outfit. It's just easy, it's comfortable, it's adorable. These little Everlane tops, it's like boat necks, are so good. I own them in 3 colors. So, it's keeping Florida, 4th of July, Americana, I don't know, I love, okay. I'm so in love with you. Look at my outfit. Okay, all right, that's it. That's gonna wrap up my 4 Pinterest summer outfits. How did I do? What was your favorite look? I'm always curious to know because I just think it's fun to hear y'all's feedback. But yeah, I love making these videos. I will never stop making these videos because I am constantly inspired from Pinterest. I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video fun, helpful, and inspired you to look on Pinterest. If you're not on Pinterest, girl, you're missing out. Second of all, to really fall back in love with your own wardrobe. And remember, inspiration, not replication. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one very soon. Bye!